For this walk we're at the southern end of Windermere and we're going to go up onto Gomer's How. That's the hill that you can see behind me, and it's in Wainwright's Outlying Fells of Lakeland book. It's only 1,054 feet and it doesn't take long to get there. I think it's a mile in total for a walk. But at this time of evening, as the sun is setting in the west, we should get a really nice view across the lake and towards the Lakeland Fells. The idea is that we're going to park up in the woodland up there. There's a nice car park, and then it's a simple walk through the woods, up the shoulder of Gomer's How and onto the summit, and return back the same way. And here we are at the Gomer's How car park. Plenty of space, as you can see on this beautiful evening. There's hardly anyone here, and in fact you could get out of your car, walk to this point and just stand and admire the view. But we're not here just to stand and admire the views, we're heading up to the top of the fell. So we'll set off by heading up this road and then passing through a gate on the left hand side. Once through the gate, the path leads through the mixed woodland up towards the direction of the fell. The path soon steepens and there's a pitch path which then leads on to a short section of fairly rough rock which is easy enough to scramble up. You soon gain height and it's worth stopping and admiring these wonderful views that are now opening up in front of you. A continuing gentle ascent soon has you up to the summit, which is marked by a trig column which is in bad need of repair. From the summit, the views over to the east are extensive, looking right over towards the North Pennines. And to the west, there are the rest of the Lakeland Fells, right through to the Coniston Fells and beyond to Morecambe Bay. I've just dropped down from the summit of Gomer's How behind me, just to get out a little bit of the breeze. And it's just beautiful up here. Not much effort, fantastic views. In front of me is the whole length of Windermere going to the north, and I can see right up to the far eastern fells, Helvellyn up over there, Langdale Pikes and all of the Coniston Fells and the setting sun. Now I know a lot of fell walkers that like to have a good day on the hills and get back down, get changed and go for a couple of pints. The pub will still be open when I get back down, but I wouldn't miss this. The summit area is fairly extensive but flat, and it's worth spending a little time exploring the areas, especially to the north where you get some lovely stands of pine trees, and by moving around you get different aspects of the view of Windermere. Well, it's certainly been a lovely evening. Be another 10 minutes or so before the sun sets. Still hardly a cloud in the sky, but the wind's picked up. Certainly got a bit of a chill in the air. So time to head back down to the car. And in fact I can see the car from where I am. So it shouldn't take long. I decided to descend by the way I came up, but you can avoid that little rocky section by heading east away from the summit cairn and picking up the path lower down. It was too good an evening to descend quickly, so I made the most of the good weather. The light was quickly fading, so I didn't do any more filming as I descended into the wood. I was treated to a sun pillar which I could see over the Coniston Fells just through the sunset. A lovely treat to the end of a great short walk onto Gomer's How.